It is not taught in school, and you can only learn that through what? Secret organizations. Okay? And that's why secret organizations, you are sworn in as an initiate, sworn into secrecy. Because secret organizations are gatekeepers of knowledge, and they are the teachers of the elite, which is the kings and queens. Okay? Disregard whatever bloodline it is. It's just a bloodline of conquest. Okay? But that is under the control of the owners of the earth. Okay? So that's how easy it is right now for human beings to be enslaved. It's just for you to be agreed. However, what you don't realize is that your entire environment is actually or is actually being orchestrated for you to be led to agree to unemployment, to an employment contract. Okay, and that's why when you think you're freeing yourself, having financial freedom because you're a billionaire, a trillionaire, a millionaire, but in order for you to transact, you will still have to be part of the system. So if the poor people are enslaved, billionaires and trillionaires are not exempt. Unless they are part of the secret organization or they are selected for them to perform a specific task that would benefit the owners of the earth. Okay, that's when a billionaire or a billionaire becomes a poster boy for the system. Okay, so I want you to understand that. Okay, all right. Okay, so that's the message for the entire world. Now, for my fellow Filipinos, there's also a message for you. Now, I'm wondering whether I'd include this on this 10-10